Nothing beats subscribing to the BYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Yeah, bit display here.
Yebo.
So in the try the gang.
Please. Ngitshela nge-detox utheni kodwa mhla ka-13.
Anya nje tangisada kwami.
Yebo.
Mina
So thina siyahlanya.
ngiyago through like I'm going through a
Oh,
lot.
is it? Ayi mina mic yami isendaweni wrong.
Indaba. Sitshela phela mase siqalisana. Siqhubekeni. Besingazi. Serious?
Oh, okuyizinto lokuyana lokho kukhale ekhanda lami yazi from i-weekend.
Bekusadumi weekend ekhanda. Ngabe kumnandi besingathini?
Yeah?
Ngibe kumnandi
Kathi
besingathini?
siqalisa nini lini?
Sisiqalisile khona awubona sikhuluma ngama mic.
Hawu, ngikona idobhi mic. Isikhathi sonke lesibe phansi.
Ngesikhathi ngikhuluma ngama dance moves weJane bengumic.
Dala laphana sixoxa into kade sizikhuluma. Ngina lobo sijwayeza ukulayitha laphana sisakhuluma idoti before siqalisa.
Khona phana idoti yona lana belikhuluma besilayithile mama.
Mana kule part omele uyikhiphe lapha.
Asikhiphi lutho la.
Akaphumi la.
Oh.
Asikhiphi lutho la.
Lapha nibe ngaqalisa.
Awukhiphi lutho awukhipha ngesound wena last week.
Mina.
Last week sahlala sisethi siyayenza kanti hawu.
Ansu accuse.
Wasiyekela sakhuluma.
Lami sengikhuluma.
Sakhipha amabhenga. Khonapho
Ilokhu
sasine
zenini? Irecording ya last week ay blind.
Khonapho sasincengisele celebrities la ngikhona ukuthi lihlale sizesiqede.
Anti i-roadcaster ya update.
Yebo.
So ithe update le restore zonke izinto to default settings.
So namhla alright.
Ayikho phela besukulungisa.
There's only one way to find out.
Guys, mina ngicela isipose sipesilalela because
Qadi podcast chaye suzothwa so mele ikhitshwe manje sothwa
Namhla si recorder from two angles.
Whoa.
Yes.
Impukane lezi. Bakazeni bakho?
wayezibuza wena.
Mina ngathi abami. Ey. Sebengangenzela i-family meeting. Vele ngitshona ngiyenzele anyway. Wakwenzela i-family meeting?
Mina.
How sis mina bendlala nje. Bathi wena baba benzenzelani? What had you done?
Mina.
Yes.
No, mina ngikhaya bangicabangela izinto ezingenzizo.
Into wawuyenzele.
Ahlatshwe isihla.
Unamanga.
Serious.
Isihlabo siyaphela. It comes and goes. Yeah. Isihlabo sikwenza since lapha?
Ke ungenza phoma uhlala kuphi ngechaya isihlabo la.
Yeah, so thi ku family meeting babe kubizeleni.
Hayi
Oyenzeni?
Into zawuda sasakhula. Yabona babebambe message lo mfana phansi sasemncane.
Oh, just that.
Yeah. Amna ngisho ngomntwana right.
I-problem ikukhona ukuqamba manje anyway. Price wena okwabizela i-family meeting.
Nje utshela.
Mina ngizayibizela i-family meeting. Angihlala kuma family meeting.
Wo. Sibuze
Libuzana.
Sithe okwabizela i-family meeting yini?
Hi. Why?
just ngifuna ukubona ukuthi abantu esiphilisana labo la
Wena-ke?
ngabantu abanjani mina. That's not important.
Mana ngikutshela.
Andiyime embuzayo. Don't ask
Umuntu nxa
her.
ebuza ufuna ukule foundation yokuthi akhulume
Hayi
sakhe
mina
story.
ngizake ngibizele family meeting. I'm not a problem child.
Hayi okunye awase problem. Maybe bayefuna ukuthi likhulumisane ezomndeni befuna ukuzwa ama
Ukuthi?
points akho nje.
Akulanto.
Hayi yakwazi ukuthi o family meeting uzokuthiwa kule family meeting and it's synonymous to into ayiwonayo.
Yeah.
Hayi mina ngizake ngona ukuthi sokuze kubizwe.
Oya bake bambize family meeting.
Mina ngiyakwazi bakubizela.
Recently. Go after lokhu zenisase u Tombstone unveiling.
I know because I saw your post during that time.
Wenzani,
Ukuthi definitely
wenzani?
izinto ayisiposta.
Wenzani uTombstone unveiling?
Kulabo kazi babukile.
Ababukelayo.
Ligangana kuma Tombstone unveiling madoda.
No,
Awubonanga wena ama-poster akho awabonanga.
Khana linjani kanti?
no ngaka.
Wazi waposta ukuthi uya somewhere.
No, ngathi
Hayi,
cows
wena
came
nkazana.
home.
What the cows came home? Ngoba nekuseni ngithi umuntu uyakulobola or something. Next thing umuntu usamangcwabeni.
No,
Wathi-
lokho wayisikwana. Phela
Uthi,
bayisukile.
People are pretending to be happy to see each other. As pretending for a few hours. And even into post.
No,
What did you do?
lokho personal.
Manje usitsheleleni. Manje
Right
usitsheleleni.
semoyeni. Ka ngapha.
Khuluma ngiyakhuluma into
Alright, si-describe le situation yangikhona ukuthi uyabona kuyabe kuhambelana lokuthi but ungakhulumi the actual thing.
Hayi mvila nga the moment ukukhuluma sengikhulumile. Awukhulumeki.
Whoa.
Yeah. Lokho nguthi wawo into ezipersonal.
Whoa.
We once mapha ama poster ngikhala lokuthi ndefona abakwazi.
Whoa. Abakwazi ukuthi le phone.
Umuntu ozwangicebisa ngumgcini. Umgcini uyabe poster. So umgcini into silobuhlobo ya.
Are you banned from having a phone?
So no.
Whoa.
Ezina ama status amababona.
Oh.
So umgcini ngaposter abanye okhazi bambabona.
Indaba engaba block.
So ngamatshatha ngekho mina. So umgcini
Umgcini
poster sebewunti ngikhona
Ngabona
manje.
kudala. Phela
So
abangana
anithengisi.
abanganathiyo yi-problem. Umgcini snitch.
So angithengisa. I was like,
Uyabona abangana bathatha ama-video wena ku-background.
yeah,
Uphele.
abathengisi.
I know mina guys ngizake ngibizele i-family meeting. I'm not a problem child.
Umntwana right.
Sometimes. But I'm not extreme like that. Anyway, isound ingakapheli linjani.
Hayi siyaphila. So ngoDecember nje imzimba ubundiki.
What does that mean, bro?
Ubuhlungu.
You're fucking walking khawula abafundi. Waphuma lo bani?
Sindebele.
Yeah.
Sindebele ngisithanda.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Imetsi ke.
Yasitshe khona la.
Hayi siyabuza. Imetho ulayo kodwa
imetsi lidingelana.
ulayo kodwa
Eze imiyembuzo.
Ulayo ngapi?
Upodcast wathwa asiyo yonke imibuzo kumele iphendule. So lo asoze ngophendule.
So awulayo.
Awudingi mina. Mbawusho
Vele
njalo.
imetho ayiqhakathekanga kanti.
Asazi.
Wow.
Yazizwa imbokodo zirobhana.
Kodwa enasti ongangena imetho ingeko. Ngilayo mina ungangilaleli. Bathi ayiqhakathekanga uyakwazi.
Abuna ngathi imetsi yoyodwa subject engelayo.
But vela uyidinga. Wona usuyibona ngaphi idingeka? So awula methi. Hayi size yakho.
So kunjani?
Size yami.
Kunjani ungabi le maths?
Ku right.
Amboni ukuthi ku right.
Ku right. Bane ngabantu abafundela abaseyimina ukuthi nje anzanga ngathola i-opportunity to la university. But A-level was doing ama arts and ngapasa and abantu abafunda labo abayenza ama arts. Bayenza ama law, bayenza ama social work, ba graduate labafanga bala maths.
Wawusenza iphi combination?
History, literature, divinity.
Ini?
Ini?
History, literature, divinity. Oh, asa i-divinity, also try FRS.
Karona.
Whoa.
Ana ufundile ba inyanga.
Yeah.
Ama subject bana.
Yeah, I mean, lezo vele ngambuza ngezami lezi ngitshela.
Kwasokushoti agriculture.
Uthi impande nisebenzisa. But vele ama subject la ngazinyanga.
Yebo. I love ngayenza ama-art guy ku-A-level. Mina ngiyabehleka nje but eyami combination iwes. Angeke ngikhulume la.
I'm right. Vele yo ama arts.
Yebo. Hayi lami ngayenza ama-arts but
Try
ukuthi
yini?
ezini mana before I say something mina ngangi-confident in my combination until someone wangitshela wena usenza i-collection khaze sengisaphomba ukukhuluma ukuthi ngayenza i-combination because ekhanda lami ngangisitshela ukuthi i-combination yami
blind.
but i-history khona phakathi
Sokusuba lana.
hayi
Literature.
hayi wena sufuna ngikhulume
khuluma.
Ndebele literature.
hayi well
History bio.
I don't like it when people guess right
Asekhona phela ama combination wena lawo.
yini
Tom Tele lokhu zenini senza ibhayo le history. But mina ngathi ngisawu A level ingamfuna ukuyenza history. Lan because subject yangu khona ngafuna ukuyenza history le agriculture. Lan angisawoze enye subject engifuna ukuyenza but wathi awusangeni.
Ngikhulumile mina.
Kodwa khase kodwa esikoleni ngifunda ke so bathi bona bayenza. But engamfunda ke so besenza.
oh
Yeah.
wena wayenza
Mina ngingu DJ mina.
hayi la ngithi ngithe wenza yini right siyabuya ungabi comfortable khona
I mean, I'm confident. I'm not like you.
Usitshela.
afusek
Thola usitshela.
So
Say
apparently
funny
when you're
video
going to A level,
Kwetela please try that please cough and speak
Mina, I did history, Ndebele, geography, and sociology.
oh so aphuma le 20
Amphuma ngale 20.
Awuphuma lenga.
Ngagcina mbhale 3, ngaphuma le. You laugh at yourself after you understand why.
siyaxolisa nje ngicela ngihlekise yakwasithi
Ngaqala ngahamba ngafunde elokuze e-college,
hayi
right? E-college sociology icon. So when I was transferring back to a formal school, ngathola i-sociology ingekho. So I had to write history, Ndebele, and geography. But I was really good at sociology. I loved that subject. I almost went and studied iyodwa.
What?
Ngaphosa I started iyodwa.
Oh.
Yeah.
so aphuma le ngane
I got a B in history.
4
I got a C in isiNdebele.
3
Then I got a C again in geography.
not bad
Ngasha ibula city council.
Wow.
Yeah, PCC.
but wapasa kodwa wena wapasa mina
Awunjalo hayi ele phesa senzani sizikhona.
Ngaqeda ngaba ngu-DJ.
Ayi, wayifana nditshela kodwa ngapasa.
umane lami ngafeyili A level bra
Yazi ngathi ngisayangena so A11 khokhe ngithi kule subject lena engani nzima but uma uyipase lana. Ngabona nizayipasa
A level
u-A11.
ayikho lula guys
Yabona FRS athi ingena. So
awuthi
thina
divinity hayi
FRS thasayibhale FRS. Yathi ingena ngongani yayenza.
studies
Alright. Yengani lula. Ayengani nzima man thasayibhala sayipasa.
oh
Hansangena u-A level ngande shungu uyabona. By then nje ku-A level sasingakhothi phela uyabhala ukuthi uso refer ama lokhuzana ama authors lani.
khona bani
Mama sayibhala A level. Yambonisa ama waza. I got to see though. But
awona shothi wapasa wena shothi la uyigenge leyana yelabo 12 yebo hayi mina ngafeyili A level I'm not even going to lie but laphana nge-second semester
but uma uphumele 10 points
Akula
kulokhu
mntwana
zenini.
esakubuza.
Ku-A level kuma arts it's a fail.
mana ngitshele e-college it does not matter hey ku-second year laphana kula muntu yabe sakubuza ukuthi ulama subjects amangaki wapasa ngengaki points
Yeah, kunjalo.
anyway udj uthe yena asingambuza i-combination yakhe
Oh no. I did arts as well. Yeah, I did geography, I did literature, I did history, I did
Manje
Ndebele.
duhlekani la i-combination yakho
Four.
labo geo phakathi.
Yami lechi
wona kanje waphuma nangaki points
16.
Wow, awudatha?
Yeah, of course. No, mina yeah.
Nangazidatha hamba la uphela.
ubani
Yeah.
hayi mina
So it
ngiyalazi
was
iqiniso
BBC.
mina ngangidlala
Mina would have done better. Isikole ngangiso kodwa.
Same.
Labangane ngangilabo.
The same.
so you'd have done better ngo-16
Abo
Guys,
bakani.
Mina uthi
Well.
bangikhiphe boarding. Today
I
school.
don't need
think I
to
could have
explain
done better
any
considering
further.
ukuthi situation esasihamba kiyo eZimbabwe yayinjani.
yeah
Yeah, because there's a crisis yama teacher and everything.
Lama textbook lishare one.
Yeah, because I remember even if I look back in Bele Muvambichan, Form 3 and Form 4, I had 7 teachers I am fundisi mates. Bonge befika befundisi topic A1 behambe. Same one foot.
The easy topic.
You know, section A to be precise.
Embuzo leyi.
Labhala isikhathi se-COVID and so
Kanani wena?
so ngafunda I'm 24. So ngafunda safunda EA 1 lower 6. Upper 6 asifunda. Sahamba sesiyabhala.
COVID wasagqoka uniform.
Yeah. I was still wearing a uniform. So, and the other thing, that's why from boarding school to day school. And the day school ngafunda yiso angayisikho.
Kwakumnandi.
Kwakumnandi. Sasikholisa
Awesisuka
kakhulu.
eboarding.
Yeah.
Usiya day school.
Day school and day school yangikhona kwenza ithi ngiqambe yo.
Yeah.
So,
why a tavern?
yasikhathi ngikhona imali yabazali yangasavumi. Manje so iCovid.
Alokho akulandaba. Sahlala yokholisa.
Yeah, angakholisa. Ngakholisa khohle uthole esikole.
I mean, it wasn't even about ukuthi condition eZimbabwe what vele sasidlala.
Hayi mina kuqiniso vele angifunda.
Sasidlala ngilomngane wami ubakani wayefunda kwesinye isikole but asingena same class esikolweni sami.
Hayibo.
No, Igweru was hectic. Those years Igweru was hectic. Yeah, so ungafunda esikoleni wena ugqoka iAir Force as school shoe.
Angeke guys, angeke.
Yeah, no. So I thina sasidlala. I could have done better. But I'm happy.
So can I ask you guys something? If would you take your kids to boarding school or day school?
Not boarding.
I mean, it depends with the school. Like, I'm very particular about discipline considering the way I was raised.
Okay.
So, ngabe kwazi ukuthi discipline abantwana in a way that teaches them life, not in a way that traumatizes them. Then I'm say boarding school. But if I see they are not even caring ukuthi umntwana after boarding school uzaba yini. And sometimes you also have to see the changes. Umntwana nxa ebuye vele esikolo ukuthi okay, yini akwenzayo engakutshelwanga akwenze kuhle. So yeah.
Yeah, now with me, I think it would depend. I'd love my kids to go to boarding school.
Okay.
I'm just not sure if it would be the same. So the reason the reason I would want them to go to boarding school is obviously because I went to boarding school. But I'm not really sure if I could find something similar to what I went through. But if I could tell, then yeah, the wish is for them to go to boarding school.
Okay.
Also because, I mean, there's a lot of life lessons there.
Yeah, I see.
And I think also the way your mind is channeled if you go to a boarding school. So I wouldn't take my child to a boarding school that's in town. I'd probably take them to a mission because my A-level I was at a boarding school, but it was in the city center.
Okay.
So no, that one is
didn't work
no.
out.
No, no. So, but yeah, I think it would depend. But if I could find something, if there was a way I could tell if the boarding school is good, then 100%, surely.
I wouldn't.
Why?
I know what I experienced in boarding school. You know what? There's a tweet. I know you guys. You probably talked about it. That Twitter is another sign of your parents hating you is them taking you to boarding school, right? I know the things that I was exposed to at a very young age. For my 12, 13 lapha. I think that's when umntwana must be like, so, labazali. Abe kwansi ngafika endlini, atshela umzali, or maybe maybe boarding school they're not different because kids can take their phones so they can speak to their parents. Mina ngesikhathi ngiseboarding, very phone kwakuyi 20 rand uphi mamakho. Lakhona mawuthi mamakho itype engalandaba le airtime. Akasoze kufonele back yabo. It was difficult to communicate with your parents even if something was bothering you. You just see them once a month, every month. And you can't khuluma yonke into like in one day, yabo? And there are so many things that traumatize ebhodini. Kuhlangana imimoya eminingi, landani. Mina ngafunda ukuthi demon ngiyini ngiform akaya form 1. wena khona vele Roma next thing sufika they're now casting, you know, you are hearing someone speaking with another voice that's not theirs. But mina ngiyahlala la eTHC lisinko laba yonke into si-right sesiphumile church. Omunye afika afaka into zakhe phambi kombheda, omunye wathi si-hostel
Kardali chisimpepho yini esikoleni?
ukhona phela wayesenza njalo.
Esiphi isikolo?
Hayi akwenzi ngikhulume vele isikolo sakhona, but just know it was a girls' school. Usisi lona wathi yena uyenza into zangibo.
Wesikolo setown umbele.
Hayi kwakuyi-mission eBhundu.
Nonsense.
Wabe
Try Asha.
Yeah, ngiyacabangela iAsha.
hayi si ekushiseni impepho khona ba wabe kusitsha ama-uniform wonke ayihengile laphana le half yedomo or something.
When ule trauma wena.
Omunye uvuke phakathi kobusuku ebhizi sithi so phambi kombheda wakho hey ngenza into ze-church, like we were too young to see all those things. Omunye church ubona isihlobo sakhe safanini siyagijima laphana emnyango and you're supposed to sleep next to that person. So when he told the matron wasitshela ukuthi ithi esibuye le nto zangikhona sesibuyele
Yeah, plus mayela abantwana kulokujajana vele. So
Yeah.
kakhulu hey.
But you know what I think? Like there's a point you mentioned regarding kids being with their parents at that age, right? So from my experience, I think you actually you value your parents more if you don't see them all the time.
Okay.
From
But there was
from my experience.
From your
So,
experience.
yeah, from my experience, I think I think the more you are separated from your parents, the more you actually value being with them. You know.
Okay.
I don't know if that's with anyone else here, but you know that's my take
No, it
on
makes sense.
on boarding school.
But the thing is, have you realized Uchi, like boarding life, ama stories corner, like mostly it's guys who've got exciting stories compared to girls.
Girls.
Most girls to them, not all, most girls to them, it was a punishment. They wish they were home and all that
Yes.
things. But guys, to them is somewhere that they wish they could go back to even serving abantu.
True.
You remember, Unije was not there, but he can relate. There was an episode, one of the guys, his prof, I keep Robert.
Robert, yes.
Yes, Robert was one
Yes,
of
yes.
the episodes.
Ah.
Imagine Robert had a disability, but he enjoyed boarding school with his disability.
Yes. And Robert were actually at the same school. Safunda sonke lo Robert.
Yes,
How
he mentioned.
well?
Yeah, and like I mean, Robert was one of those guys you would look forward to seeing every single day because vibe is always. And then you ask yourself, but if Robert is like this in his condition, why should I? You know, and that guy would always like not necessarily be emotional, but he would always speak facts about life, enjoy. At times he said boarding. So he has a point, which as Bruce Vele, boarding is going to be. I think you also make it be like that. Whereas for Hans it might be totally different because Hans you also want to be home, you want to be with your parents and stuff. As Umchita, you really do not want to be around those people.
As Umjita, every chance you get, you want to be with your friends.
With your Bruce
Yeah.
Vele.
Yeah.
I think what also makes it different for Hans is Untwana shouldn't have their first period away from. I'm speaking for Hans. Imagine having your first period, your first girl talk. I was fortunate enough to do that with my mom because it happened during the holidays. But saying Ngangi one, you're trying to deal with bullies. They're bullying you for literally anything. Whether let's say you vele private school.
Girls only.
That's
why.
Let's say my situation was very private school. Sense Bund. Accent there I pull. I feel like pull me very same day.
Yeah.
So Chamjan, we are zenzisa. Unje, umfichane. You know, there's so many things. So I'm wondering, if I were to deal with that and then not knowing, okay, I learned about it in class. Now there's blood on my uniform. What am I gonna do? You know, girls' schools, they're not so friendly. The other thing is, I think Suga at boarding school, I missed out on a lot of things. They wouldn't allow me to go see my relatives when they were sick. There are so many funerals I didn't attend. I was out of touch with so many relatives. And I realized to upper six, I didn't know my family, you know? Like I kept discovering something new every day. My brother actually likes this. or ma your mom is calling, huh? Use DH lapha, kuthiwe your mother is on the phone. It's not nice to receive a call at boarding school.
Yeah, I know.
Kungaso visiting day, kungaso. So you know they want to tell you someone is sick or someone died. Or when they get there a visiting day, they start telling you. I mean, I remember when my Betty, did you tell her about her brother? They haven't told me. You know, those kind of things. I don't want them for Abe there when everything happens. Akwanisa ukubalansa life endlini ndangale. And when I was now in college, bathi besithi bayangihambisa erace ngayala because I felt like I'd lost so much time with family. But now I realized I don't have a problem lokuhamba for a long period of time without talking to them or seeing them. Like if I decide to I'm not seeing them this month or whatsoever, I never have a problem with not keeping in touch. And I think important young cause so I don't want that with my kids. But then since
when it came to guys, it was totally the opposite. They couldn't wait to go back. Like you should have seen the vibe.
Yes.
Like SCT
lie.
Yes.
Hey, mina
Or we
didn't
boys
like
only
it.
food.
No,
I mixed.
Even, yeah.
No, I'm now went to mixed boarding school. Actually, I enjoyed.
Mina
And I
ngakholisa ku
felt
A-level,
like
eh.
ukuthi manse school like kimi kwawindawo like escape khona like indubo zasendlini.
Oh, I see what
So
you mean.
every time I talk
Okay.
opening, amfoqambela manganthawu.
Kwakuyivibe. Thina remember
I
wawubhekela
enjoy-
ukuthi uthola ipunishment yokuthiwa ibhasi ukuze lihaye uexile lihambe lisemchoveni ngoba umchova ole beat.
Yeah, I'm judge. I'm not.
And you knew punishment was right there. When you get there, bekumele punishment.
Esikolo.
Yeah.
Sile visitor la.
Makungiyangini ithathe.
And I feel like boarding school futhi yafundisa into eziningi.
Ekhumbula ibhidela ka staff.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Ibhidela ka staff la.
Eka staff, performer.
Ishandisi yafika yathi great set yavaya.
From 1 to 4, yeah, it had it good.
I think when I changed,
moments.
they took you to boarding school for the wrong reasons. Most of the time, when parents took you to boarding school, they knew, okay, most of the time they are not around to take care of you. Akulumi Jain. Akulumi.
Kungaphi?
Bawugcwele boarding school
Kungaphi?
akulumi. Kuhambela phana ekhoneni
Okay.
ngayo. Eh,
Nangu lapha estudent. Ngiyazidlalela. Kanti awudlaliswa.
Hayi. Boarding school.
Akusazwakala.
Yeah.
so when I'm saying for the wrong
Valid.
reasons, Lapanan,
Yeah.
I meant to go to like there was no reason for them to take you to boarding school because everything was there at home in terms of people and friends and entertainment, right? Because most people, not all, Babe Hambe's boarding school because parents used to spend most of the time being here, maybe because of work and stuff. Yeah, and there was no one to really keep an eye on you because
Okay.
yes, so it's called they are guaranteed to who says school there's someone who's going to keep an eye on you.
But it was obviously kulezi zinto zangitraumatizayo, but I'm not gonna lie and say it ngakholisa ku mixed school lapha nasengu A level. That's where I would go back.
Also conscious.
Not even that. Like the
Mixed or
environment
boarding?
was normal, and it was
Mixed or
closer
boarding
to
or
home,
day? Oh,
and
what day?
we could sneak in phones and stuff. So it was fun. It felt like college, but I still wanted to stay with the family because I felt like I didn't know them.
Imagine
Enough.
lokho hambe boarding school ukulandela iyinde.
When I was on my fireworks, we said dome. So indaba ama-fireworks lokhu
Thina zirayisi sifunde
engakakhansila
kanye.
mina sengiqedile isikolo kusala ama-fireworks and ngangiwazwa shem from edome uzwe every
Nengichaza
song that
amavuzo
played,
akhansilwa. Qeda uform 4 kwahle kwavala ama service day lama
But lokana
Achaza
sakukholisa
singavunyezwa
lokana.
amavuzo.
Thina lokana
Anavunyezwa zivuzo.
Eh.
Amvalelwa closing day.
wawukhuluma ukuthi ususiya kuvuzo
No, mina vele ngathi ngisehla ibhasi esitholo laphana uthatha i-taxi ngiya endlini. Ngangivalelwa maybe ngivulelwe maybe i-week eyi-1 ngihambe emakhandeni just for 1 week ngibuyele endlini efletini. Ngingena etown ngangingena maybe ukuyathenga ama-info ngavunyezwa futhi labangani. Ngithenga ama-info. After that semelele opening sebhala ama-homework lani.
really
Back to isikolo lapha ngifunda futhi ngifunda egangeni. So into eziningi vena ngangazazi.
but they
Yabo.
saved you from a lot of trouble I think
I don't know.
Or maybe
can
they
say.
did
Jane
it.
ufuna
But
lapha
what
usizwa khona
right was-
ama-fireworks.
I found us.
Oh. I'll say town.
Oh, awunawuzeduze wena uthebakeleke founders
Alapha nangakhodisa mfuthi.
manje use-founders isn't she closer to Mystique?
Wawuzoza nishe tiso.
Ndoda e-founders alafana kwakuyithotsha lapha. Ayilabana
Imagine sesibuya sovele esikoleni uthi mfana abantu bahlalile unije
Wesila ama-day
wazwaqela.
school ababe bekutshela ukuthi izolo besiyenza so, but it was really fun. But akula mntana muzahambe boarding shem.
I'm not memhambis. Nayilento lo hayi boarding yami. I think boarding nakakhuliswa boarding. Ngamfundisa into eziningi. Yonke into I can
last
say.
born.
Yeah?
Wangikhipha last born.
My first and last time my siblings kodwa.
Oh,
I feel like
that's nice.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
shit. Okay. No, I'm not gonna ask you further questions. You're giving me a side eye.
Yeah.
Bitch, don't ask me.
So yeah. Kwakumnandi.
Nansi la.
Sifraya nini? Oh, no, asihlabusi. Hlabusi solikhanze ngile lapha.
Shabusi ngwini.
Kola amafutha lokho. Olesibone ezinkulu so.
It looks like
Yikho
uSintu
wafunde
always
boarding
do it.
ese-town.
Okubhakileyo lo ke.
Thina wasile safunda ama-boarding asegangeni siyakwazi.
Ngafunda lami boarding esegangeni.
Hayi maybe naye ngekho kugangeni enough. Ungakwazi amahlabusi.
Oh, okay, what's the English name?
Kuthiwa wena ihlabusi ayikho.
Hlaba usay.
Hlapus.
Hayi,
Ake ngingona hlabus.
Awukuzona.
Akwela
Hayi,
effort yethwengi.
No, okwakho is American, okwami is British.
Kanjani wena?
Ihlabusi.
But
lakho kuyaphapha kodwa kule-
Oh, schedule schedule.
No.
Hlapus and hlapus.
Bra, please.
Rice.
Advertisement or advertisement.
Uthi air fryer.
Yeah.
You eat them?
I used to. No, sasesikolo not anymore.
Thola lo MJ babemphawulela kwapha engakwazi. Elenzeni ihlabusi? Didi lona wenzeni?
Usiphele esikhulu esithwala so from a-DH.
Uphake.
Sizokudla amahlabusi. Kumbe siwadleza ama-snacks.
DH.
No,
Babepheka DH.
No, sasithatha isithwala from a-DH sihambela sedom. Yabo.
Whoa.
Yeah. Sasitshaya edom.
Guys, ezinye indaba eziku-agenda.
Yeah.
According to Izim Tickets, Hinde was the first ever event to be sold out on pre-sale. Lonke lalikhona la.
Sonke.
Le podcast engakaphumi.
Utheni?
First event to be sold out on pre-sale.
Akhona kwakuqhatsha iblawa yonke ukuthengisa.
Nje.
Jay, abantu really wanted to go. I remember when I deliver my tickets ka Samuel Cosmic getting the team yakhe. There was a guy, I wanna like a big guy you would expect ukuthi abe le voice sibilana elokwe well defined. Utsho me wayehawula Jay. Esithi
Enqa ungena.
Efuna iticket.
etwa bra. Awula ngisho le
Abanye phela bahamba.
Awula ngisho le
Abahamba
Ticket lelana ndoda.
Baswela sibila ama tickets.
Abantu baswela sebebuza
There were like
siyasifaka
hundreds of
ngeceleni.
people getting that they were hoping to pay getting and they failed.
Babekhulumile ukuthi awula ama-tickets egedini.
Hayi phela Antoni uyabucanduza ngena ngezibuni.
And babebaningi bacanga ukuthi bayangena
Uyabona ukuthi
yezo.
ulihlabusi.
Bebani thina sibhadala $50 ukuthi sedlala. Waphela uba lihlabusi that day. Wangena amahlabusi.
But iticket lelana i-ticket elokuthi aliframe endlini ngoba kulithola kwakhona.
Yeah.
Khonapho Antoni uyabuthemba ukuthi wakhomenta kupost ka-Night Freak waphendula wahleka.
Sobani uzangena mahara. Sobani thini. Sobani day sewufikile sokuchila.
Yazi ngikhumbuza imimi yokuthi every DJ is going to be posting a show until they're not on the lineup.
Ngayibona.
Ande liqiniso she.
Labe lipostile libaningi. Line up siphuma uzithola ungekho. Eish dang. Bayatholakala.
What's your guys' take on events that do not drop e-lineup? So yeah, being city mina. What's your take on events not publicizing e-lineup?
Usaphendula uJane.
Oh yeah.
Ngithe mina
No, certainly.
ulala lo yabe lo muntu amlandile. So sometimes kugcina ukuyenza abantu bengahambi ukuyabukela abanye abantu maybe because ababazi or what. So I think ikusharp ukuthi bengakhuluma ukuthi ngoba naba performer.
I think it's better line-up ingaphumi because it gives value to the event. Because most events, they end up going because which artist is there. So like if you put an event and say, Gule artist lel, abantu, they won't even refer to your event by name. They will refer to your event by the name of the artist.
True.
Yeah, but so if you see people referring to your event by its name, ibale power. Because look at GOH. I-GOH phela iyakwanisa ukuthi whether kubuye artist or artist bayakhweza price. And people still pay because they know ukuthi kuzabe kulama vibes. So I think it depends with the type of event, but when an event is a themed event, you are trying to push the theme, then DJ lineup is something that you can release later or on the day. Yeah.
So okay, I get it, and I agree. My next question would be: don't you think ukufaka lineup would add value to the event, such that people know? Konokele kuchota abantu base bahamba belande omunye umuntu. I mean, technically, kona my event where you know vele. I mean, hinde you know, you are going there. Night Freak is going to be there because it's his event, right? Let me make an example. Event Unijeti Soul and Friends. You know that Nijeti Soul is going to be playing. So, but does that mean it's okay to actually just have the event and not have any other artists on the poster until the event is done? Don't you guys think Uguti having the other guys would, for instance, if I'm doing a Nijeti Soul and Friends, maybe if following up Rice, who I'm not in reach of to actually market my event to, would help me have some of his people come through to my event? Don't you guys think that also counts?
Uyakhumbula indaba lana ukuthi i-event is kwaZithemba noChaya because of who's posting.
Yeah,
you've got a point in terms of adding value to your event, but then it's very very tricky because next time ngathiwa kule event enje, okay, kubuya ubani. You see where the consent goes. But like event yako, if you add value to it without even like really pushing the lineup as much as the event, people say, kule Nijeti Soul and Friends, awunijesi amazi vele uzasinika ikiller lineup. Kubuya bani asikwazi,
but we know that it's worth going.
So like
yes.
So actually the event gives value to the DJ who's playing.
Yes. Yeah. Yes. Nah, that's cool. That makes sense. And then from a promoter's perspective, don't you think as a promoter you need to publicize a lineup so that your tickets sell? Maybe that's where the you as an artist being a crowd puller comes in. Or that's the value you're actually adding to a certain event. Don't you think?
Okay, Manaskale sees you from someone who's got the perspective of a patron. When Amongi, what do you think? Like compare the events that you've attended about advertiser kweni artist and the events that you've attended being advertiser and artist in relation to the question Ganije.
I can say when you're sitting. All right, for example, Hindi. I think when you oyenze wagcwala. Ngama artist that they advertise you. What if they was to kubuya ba?
Okay.
So I think kona can I konja no waphula a crowd.
Besides a local lineup. Like besides the local lineup, I'm a headliner, you pull a crowd.
Yeah, because vele sasingakwazi right to kubuya ubani.
Yes, okay.
Besingakwazi thi usibani uzabe khona ngoba i surprise. But that's why ngikhona sithi mbana kwaphula a crowd. When I'm an artist, they are from ASEAN. Then, as for my local artist, that
besides Tinesla Mawala, but obviously, so at least class will post them. I think it goes to him Kuzang.
Exactly.
You know, but I think I get your point. So you're actually answering my question, Uti. as a promoter, if you, for instance, have a headliner, would you do your event without publicizing the headliner for ticket sales? Would it make sense? So that was the initial question.
Right.
So,
Yeah, all right. Sihlele secure singakwazi ukuplaya.
mana sizomunye upatron lapho ukuthi ucabanga.
As a patron, because I've experienced both sides. As
Okay.
a patron, I would want to know who is performing.
Oh.
Because there's a certain amount of money I wouldn't pay to watch certain people play or perform. I'd feel very insulted, right? As a patron, no shade, no what, but
No,
this is a fact.
ngiyakuzwa.
Yeah.
Yabo? And then, as part of an organizing team, if you feel like you need to use the lineup to give value to your show, maybe you don't really know what you're doing. You can use it as a bonus. You don't need to use the lineup as like ukuthi ibe yi-backbone, ibe yi-spine
Event.
yokuphusha i-event ukuthi value ibe what. Wabona somele usebenzise khonokho ukuphusha ama-tickets and what. I really respect people who can host an event without needing foreign celebrities to pull crowd. Like umuntu avele abe and there's so many people who are now doing it. I really respect them. Ukuthi, wow, you can really pull a crowd like on your own with that Bulawayo or Zimbabwean flavor. You don't need to pull abantu. Because take for example, uPricant, he mix in the menu. uPricant decide to mix in the menu. Uyabiza uCasper Nyovest. Akulo zathi siya ku mix in the menu. Bathi siya ngaphi? Kusho ka Casper Nyovest. Yabo. Bachabona ukuthi uNifric lo Niger lo Price mabe hoda amashow wabo separately. UNiger ngathi uyabiza somebody. Awuthi uthi yakushow kamuntu lo uthi uyangaphi? Ku NDS event. Uya ku Hindi.
Yeah.
Uya ku mix in the menu. I think I respect that kind of thing from an organizer's point of view. Vele lokana kube last thing oyifakayo. Because it's one of the many things that build the show, The lineup is just part of. It shouldn't be the main, focal point and stuff. I think.
Price on tin.
All right, mina my take ihambelana lega Jane, but then I'm thinking Guti, that thing is okay on themed events. Camera keeps stopping. Okay, that thing is okay on themed events, right? So what I mean is themed events, you really need to push your theme so that people come and enjoy the theme. And having a headlining act becomes an icing on the cake. Because if you market it wrong, what happens is it will end up seeming like the headlining act is the cake, then the theme is the icing. And sometimes people don't really care about the icing.
Yeah.
Unless if you market your event with, okay, this event, I'm really promoting these artists. They've got hits. Everyone wants to see them. Everyone wants to meet them. Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
That makes sense. Okay.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, Cotton presents Niger Tissot.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Like that thing that we did with my students, a showcase. The theme is literally pushing the guys who've never played before, and this is the first time they're actually DJing. So also, I mean, for them, it meant so much to have them on a poster and them sharing the poster. Basically, that's what you're saying.
Yes, because the panel is strictly about them.
About them, yes.
But
yes.
if it's about the theme, okay, King's Crawl presents wine and dine.
Yeah.
There's going to be lots of wine and everything and stuff.
What should
then
make
you
you come is, yes.
Cotton, they do nice food. Vele wine is abimnan. Then on the day, okay, so to spice up the event, we've got Niger Tissot.
Yeah.
You see? Yeah.
Yeah. So, Mina, I would like to, if I were to choose, I would like to have an event that has no lineup at all, and people say I'm even headliner. Normally with Chris Brown. I've always had that dream of having a headliner and not putting the headliner on a poster, and actually surprising people, because I think that would add more value, and
Yep.
people would really be like, yo, you know what I mean? Ube le event enjalo uthi no tickets egedini nxa kubhatala abantu abayi-5
Yikho lokho.
uChris Brown uzagidela abantu abayi-5 ozahlabelela abantu abayi-5 ozenza konke.
$100.
Yes.
But mina I'm really glad
Because when
ama-tickets-
usufuna
mina
ukuba
I'm really glad
kwaSimbana
ama-tickets
okhona.
eyinto aphelile.
And
Ama-tickets eyinto aphelile. People need to learn.
Bangaka bakhutile ukhuluma into enjalo.
No, you know what?
Abakhutile.
Even lami ngikhutile, I'll still be glad, because from speaking from a point of view yomuntu who also does events, and it now gives respect to ama events.
Yeah,
You
no, for
understand?
sure.
Really did.
Yes,
That
for sure.
exclusivity.
It's good for yes, it makes it exclusive, yes, and it's good for security and disaster management.
For sure.
Right. You know, okay, listen, my capacity is 3,000 people. After 3,000 people, I'm not taking
Ivan,
anyone.
Ivan.
There are no tickets by the gate.
Yeah, no,
It
you-
reduces the risk of corruption, the
Yeah.
risk of stampede, a
Yes.
lot of things. And people
violence.
will understand.
Yes,
Ukuthi,
that
okay,
they need
this
to-
is a high value event when tickets are out. Look at Garden of House. Ithe iphuma lapha ba-release ama-early bed asephelile, but abaka-announce anyone on the lineup.
Yeah.
Right.
I
The
also
second
feel
phase
like-
is almost out.
Yeah.
I also feel like ukuphela lokhuyana kwama-tickets at that show, it kind of protects other events also as well, because let's say personally mina vele I never believed in buying early bird tickets, but after what happened there,
That's the good part. She's learned. Ufundile mshayeleni
after
izandla.
what happened there, tickets liyathengwa.
oh, it's yasocela
I-ticket
abekiweyo.
liyathengwa.
Aseceleni.
Eceleni kwakho.
Eceleni kwani?
I-ticket liyathengwa.
Aticket liyathengwa ubeke.
No, yeah, very.
Ubeke
and
eceleni.
You're right, because I
Because
went to
abantu
drop my tickets when Jet Sol and friends.
Vele
there.
benisiya khona phana ukuthi
Eh.
with that being said,
A video easy. Ucherry Lwana wathi ngicela ngithenge 5. You
ama-tickets
understand?
ayathengwa.
abantu bahawula.
Yeah, so into eseli golide. Tickets eseli golide, because also, I mean, it took so long for it to happen like this. Do you know, like there's these guys that do events in SA. These guys, this team is hectic. They have an event every month, and
Oh, wow.
every time they drop tickets online. My tickets are paid within 30 minutes. No lineup, no venue, nothing. They just put a logo yabo, they put a date, and then they say see you soon. They keep a ticket. Done. Do you remember how Chomlo? There's this guy, man, or tuna my event on la noti, uyaqala ngama pass, can we invite only? We invite only, tuna my events ako invite only, and now people would only post, people would not even post where they are, they would just post the name of the event, and then also that kind of helps. But I'm also not a fan of having a lineup out, because as you guys all said, Uti, it kind of now it waters down
Yes.
the theme or the actual value of the event. In as much as artists do add value, but I think it's a good thing. Uti, surprised now. It's a
Yeah.
pleasant surprise, especially if you're a fan of that person who you never thought was going to be there.
Yes,
You know? Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes. That's
It's really something that's dope. But Hinde was lit. Hinde was amazing. Hinde was amazing.
Ilungisele ama-events wonke alandelayo indlela right yokuthi ayenza kahle.
No,
Right
for
now,
sure, for sure.
people
That is true.
understand ukuthi ama-events alandelayo alama-tickets ayaphela. Vele nje ngicela uvala kulama-tickets athengiswa egedini nje.
No, vele egedini akula.
Basebefona lapha ebesibayeni umsindo becela ama-ticket.
No, egedini
Do you
vele
know people they're
akula.
offering to buy general tickets for like $60 and
Yeah.
VVIP tickets for like $150.
$150. Golden
Khona
Circle.
wamfonela esethule 120 ufuna iticket le-Golden Circle. I was like, yeah.
Khona umunye wathi ngicela ukuthi sihambe ngiyakuthwalela ama-headphone. Ngathi I wish I could. I really wish I could.
So abantu kumele bewazi.
Imagine-
Ama-tickets athengwa isikhathi.
Lo kayehle lo.
Asathe into engayenzakala uyakwazi.
Yeah. No, yona into right and I ubheki vele lapho usiphekele something eyiswi.
How is it?
Ngoba also we've been trying to do
Because
things. We've been trying to do these things. Enye into kumele sibe serious ngayo. I've been trying to do this ukuthi abantu be understand ukuthi ama day vibes are important. You mustn't wait for the night to have fun. Have fun during the day.
During the day.
That's the next thing we need to work on. That day uprice ebesithi unisha nje show iphela ngo8 aphela ngo8 noma. That's how it's supposed to be. Literally. I mean ungangena lapha ngo10 to I must
Qeda u11 ipolice lapha lamvalisa uthi ngizofaka
ngicela ngathi singana phela stop ngicela wathi sengilapha sengiphakathi ndoda ngicela ukuthi at least wangikhangela so masalwana ngathi fathi masalu la yayiza ndoda ingoma yavayindela wathi wathi uprice wathi vala dog ngathi okay. Okay.
So cheat.
One
more.
I know the pain you feel
bro. I mean, I had fun. That Hinder set, I really had fun, bro. And for me, it's always nice to when I play, when I see a reaction in a crowd because I'm literally inside there.
Bro, people started vibing from the first DJ, something that was kind of rare. Like first DJ, like people started moving heads.
Bro,
that day
was
good vibes on everyone.
It was a great build up. Such that when you got there, you didn't want to waste any moment.
Hey.
So vele you knew what the moment ungena lapana, and that surprise was dope. Line up lapana kushandis. I don't know what that thing is called, but line up vele nxa usufika lapana vele usu right. Usu right. Yes. Those gates were dope because mafika lapana this is dope. You know.
I liked the whole tables on stage setup. That was really cool.
Yeah, and even stage.
I used to hate on people who stay in the staging. I was hating from outside of the club because I couldn't even get in. You know what I'm saying?
Also.
And then now when I was on the stage,
was like,
yeah, man.
So understand.
Why is it feeling yankhona? Why is it feeling yankhona?
I mean, nginomi esithi yeli busy limingene stage waposta wathi yena stage ngabona ipost leyani ngasekho ese sharp.
Kwakumnandi.
That's the new Afro house vibe. Like as a DJ, like you need people behind you, next to you, and in front of
bro,
you.
Not even Afro house, bro. Like now everyone is now behind the DJ and no one is in front and stuff. Into Diana Chase, not even about Afro house only, but I think other DJs don't like it because I think as long as you have a controlled crowd behind you, then it's fine. You know, awufuni ukuthi usashaya inamba lapha umuntu ethi ngicela light ekuhlobo zozo. Kabitu.
Yikho ngiyabe ngikhona khona lapha. Yikho ngika ngangimtshela umongi wena kuma vibes mongi mina ngisemsebenzini.
Yeah, ngicela light how far to.
Ngithathele video. Wena.
Light.
Kabe kumnandi madoda.
Yeah,
kabe kumnandi. Kabe
ufika. Performance ka MJC.
Hey.
Ngathi Jeremiah Ncube.
Uprice athanda ukuletha izinto zangaphandle phakathi.
Azibizwelela.
Ngelibizo labazali bayo.
Kumele zathi ibizo leso silisebenzise nto.
Likhona ku-Xcocation na ku-newspaper.
Anjengekho
Kesha mangala but kari ndoda wena ngu-big juicy kanti. Ibizo lakho linje so.
Anjengekho ikhipha zonke.
Lawa namanye vele. Ubonana kula muntu ozabawazi. Ikhokheshi yaveza.
But guys, yabona even like lapho ngabona konti la kuzaba mnandi la. Like kwathi kwaqala ngoPhantom ngabona abantu bamile bagida amakhanda. Begida indlela nothi okay, I was expecting this at 5 p.m. but Gatesan it's almost 2. That boy fresh.
Yeah.
Oh, fresh now he was so fresh on stage, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
People started standing up.
No, bro.
People started dancing when they were sober, bro.
Bro, sorry to cut you. Who fresh, bro? People need to take note. That guy is good, bro. Who that boy fresh who blind? And who blind in the sense of give him a piano set, give him a Afro house set, a deep house set. Give him a back-to-back, lokotwane hip hop.
Yeah,
Those
yeah.
guys murder that thing. Blind. You can continue.
What you want to do? And then pause in my brain things in la. What ST guys.
Awumnandi.
Kwahle kwanyini.
Angazi thokutshela kuncisho. Ngangahambanga ngicela uthenge la
Kanti
next year.
bazwele labade bengekho bezobuhlungu lapha bakhona.
Guys,
Abo bakhothile.
like the build up was really good. Like people, like I think for a moment in time they kind of forgot ukuthi kuzabale main act.
Yes.
Like Night Freak and Jazzwax. Yeah, because the way local
was-
DJs were good.
People were on.
Umuntu bese sithi ama local artists ayenza lutho.
Kari, ngiyabona bekukhulunywa ngama local
Ama-local artists
something
abo
something.
kuthiwa ngobani?
Yeah, it was isho
Somebody
ayenza
get-
la before yinde leyana inyanga khona.
Le yathi se-Nexus.
Hey. I was trying not to name drop, but
Yeah,
No,
oh,
it's
mina
okay,
ngizibuzisa
ngoba
mina ngikwazi.
Everyone knows. Everyone knows.
yeah.
Everyone knows.
It's out in the public. Yeah. So apparently, according to the artists and what they posted is, they were disrespected, right? OFFG was an artist on the lineup. Is one of the artists who's got one of the most trending songs. Gatese Tandwa, almost everyone, even if it's not
Tombani.
Imali Square.
Okay.
Yeah, everyone knows that song, even if it's not your genre, and you know what he is the guy of the moment. Unoluntu Laye is one of the artists who was there. She's the lady of the moment in terms of hip hop is concerned.
UFFG, I have a song with him.
Bro.
I've never met him, but I have a song with him. Blind. As guys are but I received the vocals. Lo Sparks. There's a song we're working on.
Yeah.
I was like, this is dope. So when I saw Lapano with FFG, I was like, he doesn't just discourage abantu to chase on this. I was,
Because ngana bawubona.
not value.
And
Not
I'll-
value.
Look, Jake.
Yeah,
Kanye,
it's Blawayo, obvious.
we artists, like the person of it, the owner, the manager of the establishment says, I know, when I are here to work,
Manin. Limz
manager.
Loten. Uthi the manager.
Anti kwethithi kani?
manager.
Manager.
The manager.
Manager. Management.
Manager.
Yabo, yabihlanganisa.
Yiyo ama combination eno lawo eleyo.
Management. Manager.
Management.
Manager. Umanager wangapi?
But anyway.
Yeah, well, so I know, I don't care about your hospitality, because when they were at work, I treat them as people who were working. But even there, like it was at work, because
No, everyone there who's at work must be treated in a way.
Kodwa la ucabange nje ikhwathoni ubizile la. Ya DJ. Bebe DJ bebehlabela, bebe perform.
they are performing artists, yeah, baby Slaven.
Kodwa la bezokusumisa bethatha isitulo beqhubela omunye umuntu.
Unjani?
Ngithi beqede uthathela isitulo bekusukumisa. Uyafela njani? Uyaqhubeka usahlala umbese umuhambe.
Angeke ngivele alimboni futhi endaweni naleyo futhi.
I think
Do you know there are other events whereby artists perform for free, but they are respected more than events where they get paid? Like,
Yeah, that's true.
when it comes to an artist, no matter how small, like make sure ukuthi artist lidlile, hydrated, and lihlezi kuhle phansi.
I think indawo
Yeah,
labadele
boy.
bokwe.
Because
Yeah.
like being an artist, being on stage lapha, before you enter kumele relax lapha. So that little thing, okay,
Vele
Zwana
bengakustressa
check,
just
nankamanzi, nansi situlo ngoba uhlezi la, nxa sungena sizakubiza.
Nansi injengo yakho.
Exactly.
$100. $12.
So lapho say hayi maybe indawo. I-problem bewindawo.
Like umuntu uthi, okay,
Bewin.
Kaya kungabantu. If they know how to treat those celebs kuhle, they can treat you well also. It's a problem ngabantu.
No maybe bakhangelile ukuthi obvious uma uwaswala. So vele bemele bemhloniphe bemtreat kahle. Then wena owalapha uzabayenzani? Abalandawa lawo.
That's trash.
Abalandaba lawo
That's
bazakusukumisa nje.
Jackie.
Abakubona awukhanye
Event
ke.
esiqeda kukhuluma ngayo Jake. Everyone was treated nice. There was a person who was assigned to run around. His name is Bryce Dube, speaking on the mic.
Okay.
He made sure
No, and he's late.
Okay.
everyone
Udube
is
late.
okay.
Nge-hospitality.
Yeah, boy.
Thumla wanhlanganisele happily. Ngingayicelanga. Wayekwazi ukuthi leyana.
Because I know if you treat these guys good,
Oh.
they'll give you a good show.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
what I
that's
don't
what I was toilet
understand.
stuff. La sumis was toilet.
For sure.
You understand?
Yeah.
Wonke umuntu
Wasukuma
usuqedile ukuperforma zwana. Nxa suqedile ukuperform, hamba kuzibani uza kunika ukudla. Sengimtextile, just go
Yeah.
tell them your name. Uyabona?
Mina lapha ngase ngihamba phela
Ngiyakhumbula
ngezwa so there's a way uprice ambiza ngayo kuma event. Usha
And we saw anyway.
anyway usayizwa so ngase ngiqedile lapha naso kuphekwa because I was the last guy and lapha ngase ngicelile i1 uChelwana wathi thy ngezwa mina ngiyasho ukuthi awukhe lapha sokuhanjwa woza ndo uzothatha ukudla kwakho what ukudla would I say no oh no brother
Jake, but
Oh,
those things
no,
are
brother.
cheap, Jake. Those things are cheap. So you can afford to kunika i-artist ukudla. Okay, $5. Umnike
Just
ko $5. Nayi Jake, nayi chicken, nayi ama-chips, nayi
Yeah.
ini dlana.
Yeah.
Nanka amanzi $1 for 2. Nxa ubona ngani kuyadure bawathenga phandle. $4 for 4, $4 for 5 ku TM.
Kule case ye $24,
Just
$2.50.
give them
Yeah.
water at least. Something.
Something, you know.
So problem wangabantu phela abakhona
Abantu
ngale babe
asondawo vele. Kuyabe kungumuntu who is shitty.
And instead of apologizing,
Or
into
they are-
le uyazidefender and adds more to the story.
You know, sometimes umuntu uyabe allocate i-budget yama-artist, but because yena uyabefuna ukuyipocketa, agcinele i-Twitter funny.
yeah
yeah
Uyabe iphiwe imali yangikhona.
Yeah.
I mean, if we want to know, abantu mabe affordile ukubhadala i-artist yona le ebuyileyo, imali yonke yakwana, le writer yakhe lani, they surely can pay you also. They just don't want to. No, that's what I've always believed in. When they're just choosing not to respect you because of
On top of that respect, also accept it. Okay, I'm not getting anything. Then you say order. Okay, now I'm a patron. I'm ordering. Unika umuntu imali iyakunika i-attitude eqeda lapha ekunika i-change engakwananga. You give someone $100 bra, you buy 6 ciders abe ezokunika i-change $5 engela receipt.
Is that what happened?
Yeah, that's what happened. Awulalela.
I-right
no
at $12
silalela ukuthi
yayilani.
lesilalela sinext phela thina
I-right at $12 yayilani.
oh i-right lede bekhuluma ngayo
Jake,
inchengu
abanye
because bayokhuluma
abanye
ye-right
asinathi
ukuthi
Jake.
ayi,
Jibalale,
$6.
So i-rider yami iyabukwazi ukuthi okay, ngilama cranberry ayi2, ngilokudla. It's even less than $12 yami. Ngiyakuthi no i-rider yami ichipile. This is what I want to drink. Give me fruit juice, give me water, give me an energy drink and food. I'm good. Ngiyaperforma ngunike yonkini. Wehle unika artist i-rider le $12.
inchengu ayibalala ngisethelele inchengu lothi
hayi vela khani i-event yabo levele biyimezi hayi bengayenzi yena but i-artist labo lelo elikhulu beliphathe kahle
Obvious.
nginguye yedwa dekhanya
Ngoba labana abantu bra wena abantu babebhadale ukuthi bezombona eyathi angisaperform.
yeah
And you
And
know
they
what
have
people
value,
will
eh?
vandalize so that they get their money back through vandalism.
And you know that place, the kind of patrons that they have, they can easily destroy the place, you know, throw bottles and shit.
then uboyini noti behamba njalo noluntu
Hey, like Unoluntu is the artist that was disrespected. Boinino was an artist that was not there. Obefaka i-opinion yakhe.
besethi manje kombono
Yeah.
as an artist
all right ube lo mbono
Yeah. Abantu abaningi they don't know who made that comment, but okay. Let me quickly read it to you, Lapa.
but whatever I said makes sense. I know my boy makes sense all the time.
You don't be so quick to say that.
He makes sense all the time.
then impendulo ayitholile
He
ngichazile
All right.
Set.
Right. Think about all the things that we've said about how artists have been treated guma events that you've been in. And then Gelaba describe how artists were treated la. So you post the Bulawa music scene is a virgin for all we know until there's Bulawa artists with a catalog of hit songs. Let's be humble. Okay. Agula ama artists alama catalogs of hit songs wobla.
Akon.
Okay, moving forward. Let's be humble and continue to grow. One day, there's an article of artists fighting for promoters. Kusasa, they're fighting the very people they claim they are fans, saying they are not supportive. After that, they're fighting each other After that, they trending for being gay. Exactly.
Aren't you tell your boyfriend?
We have had this way too many times over the years, yet akula muntu ole catalog that's worth much. Okay, niggas will trend for complaining about something year in, year out, no hit song. If you're trending for wrong reasons, then it's a paper fire. Stelani in music.
No, I know why he did this. He recently dropped something. He has to be relevant. The fact that we're talking about him now.
Locked in.
Yeah.
Impendulo manje.
And you looked in, you have Vutela. Anyway.
Ulisa Mpala wabe commenting account yakhe. Ngino luntu wathi say someone who was complaining about not being nominated for the PAAs after a failed MT collaboration.
Hayi wena. Yabona umuntu uhle wathi. Akanominatwanga. Utsho njalo nolo. Give. Why le khona MT? Oh, I failed.
Do you know, Mina, when I read what I'm artists tweet about or say on social media, I always take it bakhulumela bona labangani babo. You know? Because I mean, you can't say agula artist le catalog hectic. We all know there's artists who have hectic catalogs, right? But I think lokano kunye kabe so directed to abanye abantu, you know? Which it's social media. From my standpoint, I think people have been denied the freedom of speech to the point that now they just feel like saying anything, regardless, right?
Okay.
So, Tina, as people who read these things, we need to take some things from them, and as into we just discard.
Okay.
Because before na mares ngkhulume something. Into lana ngikhulumayo, one is based on the exposure I have. Two is based on who I spend my time with. Three is based on what I know. So the more you talk, the more you expose your exposure, how you think, etc., etc. You know? So that's why I think maybe also it's because I've lived in an environment for so long where people just say whatever they want and whoever supports and whoever doesn't does not support. But when it comes to actually speaking facts, I find it rare for artists to actually go fact to fact. Umuntu ngaphala into 20 lines. I'm sure maybe 3-4 lines will make a sense. Okunye so to me it won't make sense because sekhuluma ngokunye mina engingeke related to. You know what I mean? But I highly suspect, obviously, because he recently dropped, we have to talk about him right now, which he's won. You understand? Based on the context, exactly what he said, I really side with people who actually want to be vocal. Excuse me, because I believe in music. Let me cook. I believe umuntu uzabhala yena abe ufuna uze ebe relevant, and then umuntu uzahambe check ukuthi kan vele who's boy Nino, you know? It's the same thing as Feb. I never knew about Feb G. I never knew what Feb G looks like until I saw on TikTok where he was called to a podcast, and then abantu baqalisa ukumjwayela kabi there, and his supporters were, you understand? Then I got to see, this is the face too. So into ezinjalo, I mean, we all know we live in a society where you in as much as it might not be 100% correct, you need to actually say things to be relevant and for people to actually hop onto something you're doing, basically.
Okay.
Because in the music industry here in Bulawayo, I wouldn't say Zim because I haven't really been, but in Bulawayo I've seen it's not really valued. So people are taking an extra mile to actually do certain things. To remember that conversation we had the other day when we were recording the other episode, Amahlabusi are now doing the most and they're DJing naked. And so I think also banter, going onto social media and saying your mind, whether people agree or not, I think sometimes
Yeah.
but uyabufuna ukuthi omunye umuntu
Engagement.
ethi kanti who is Nino?
But, okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, but
That's,
the-
well, that's my take. That's my take.
Yeah, like speaking also on that, and is emanated from that whole show in Alegama Uogatikon. The guy even said, or post awati, the artist like Obla is one and ngagcwalisa Nexus nyakwanisa ukukunika i-sound.
Free sound,
Free
free
people,
venue.
yeah.
Everything. Ubuzolokos. Do you know the people that were replying? UST uhle wathi ngile loyal lami ngilitheke los bani bani wamtake wathi let's put it in writing ngizoyenza issue.
Yeah. And now people are going to be like, what's Nexus? Let me check out what Nexus looks like. You understand? Or
Yeah, but
else-
now people are now doing it to prove a point because now after all that and abantu at the same time abasos tut kulenye drama that brings people to you. Okay, let me put it this way. There's drama that makes you famous, there's drama that makes you infamous. Ukuthi lapha siyakwazi singeni. Yabo labantu lapha siyakwazi ukwenza so asambe sibone ukuthi kunjani. Yabo.
But I
So
think-
but Tina, as artists I think we understand and
Yeah,
yabo mina mfunguza from someone who's not in the art industry like umongo ukuthi like when seeing these things the artist did the situation like what really comes to your mind?
I-artist
Like you've heard the Noluntu story, you've heard the Febji story. Now Lonino said Twitter, the guys from Abanigas
ukuthi sengagcwalisa o
all this that we've been talking about. Like when you're a patron, how do you take that thing?
yasangane ngikhuluma kubi.
Speak your mind, baby girl.
It's called
No,
Be
no,
Your
no.
Own Podcast,
Yeah, no,
man.
no, just-
Ringo
just-
go
yeah.
99, not
Yeah,
Pasuma
just-
99.
Uduma, yeah.
Alright, lapho ngizakhulumela lokuthi baphendulile bathi ongayigcwalisa yona iNexus ani. Like but ngithe ngisizwa abantu bona bekhuluma phandle ani. Bathi yini the Vista. Hanjo. I doubt lo muntu ongayigcwalisa indawo lana. Indawo lana ungokwayo ayenzi. Thasi wazi indawo
Ile
yamabheshi yabo.
reputation.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. So basically, you're saying, Uchi, yeah, people won't go there. That would be the only reason why ingeke igcwale. Not ukuthi akula muntu ongayigcwalisa.
According to you, which is infamous.
Sorry. Indawo right.
Yes.
Le indawo uthi alright so ngabiza abantu uthi bebuye.
Bebuye.
Yeah, I doubt it.
Lana I saw it's not the place. Okay.
Yabona. Bakhona alright sithi bakhona but I doubt mina ubona wami uthi ukhona umuntu ongathi fu uhamba endaweni lana kuyenza ishow ecaca iphume kahle.
Okay, usosizwa your favorite artist besithi bamdisrespectile bamthathela isitulo.
Exactly. Sokusiba wesivele usubone le ndawo yangikhona le staff abantu abasebenzayo khona ukuthi awulalutho oluhlo oluphuma lapha. Indawo lana i-right besenza amathiwa kwini ama first Saturday amabhoda abantwana besikole lana ku right besenza khapha. As for ama events amakhulu acacayo la abakhohlwe ngeNexus bedinga izindawo ezikhanyayo. As for iNexus hayi.
It's not the place to be.
Yeah, i-right ithiwa yi-The Vista.
But ungathi vele ule ndawo yakho enjalo ubusuthatha abantu njalo futhi like
Exactly. Thina indawo lana vesa sikwazi vele igcwala amaphara, igcwala abantwana besikolo kuphela. Then seliyafaka umahu endaweni lana.
Yeah, because hey, kulamanye artists that I always wished to see ahamba kwezinye indawo and I failed to go there because of the type of place.
the type of place.
Exactly.
Yeah. Vele, yeah.
She is a good example. I mean, I wanted to see her perform.
Exactly.
I love her music because of where she
was.
was performing.
And
And even
Vista, guys.
Unkosazana daughter.
Wait, unkosi
Nguye ngikhuluma ngaye somewhere.
Palace. No guys, sawazi umkosazana waperforma. Why lokufihla? Why are you hiding it?
Umuntu umrate to a certain, you know, and then
No, I think abantu
ahambe perform somewhere. You're like, hey,
thina ke
ngizamlinda ke aze
wena
ayoperform
unkosazana
endaweni.
asimsole hani sisola umuntu wamthatha unkosazana wamfaka
Wamsa khona
ePalace
Hayi yena befuna imali ben.
wangeke ecaba kwenye indawo
Hayi enye indawo le yani yabasoze yenza imali.
Bebe yaluza imali.
Eh. Into le vele ikabili, you know?
And I really wanted to see
uyabebizela abantu bakhe
unkosazana
yena.
lo ma u-
Oh,
I
it's
love
like
him.
artists who, if you've never, so for instance, I understand Ekwanda, like it's happening when it comes to South African artists. So when you'd ask yourself, but would I really drive to Kwanda to see? No,
ekwandani iyagcwalelwa this days.
uyabela abantu bakhe yena befuna uba entertainer. So when nxa ungangena ePalace, you are not his target market at that time. In as much as you might like the artist and stuff, Mahu was there, you love her, but would you go to Nexus to watch Mahu?
Angeke.
That's
So,
that's the thing. But
there's-
now when that is happening, we abantu bakho also treat her ama local artists
Fun.
fun. It just makes things worse.
When other events that are even better do not treat
Exactly.
local artists.
Exactly.
Because you know there are other local artists, right? We are really following a K100, but that following A100, they are high value clients.
Yes.
Because those 100 people,
Are going to
they
be
are
there
guaranteeing
and-
you 400
yes.
bottles
And you know
because
what,
each one of them is going to buy at least 4 bottles.
Uh-huh.
And bottles are the ones that make profit
Yes.
at a bar.
Exactly.
Imagine like if that show, it be a positive review from the local artists. Like imagine
Nexus
let me just go and
clientele was going
check
to
that
shoot
place.
up the
Maybe we can do Initiate
Maybe
Son
let's
and
do
Friends.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, bo?
Yeah.
Nexus.
Imagine. No, I'm just
No,
saying.
you I mean, abangani bami niyabahlonipha.
Imagine, yabo engakaze ibone. No, let me just go and check this place. Ngizokuthiwa bekuluma ngibone ukuthi injani.
Yeah.
And if isiyenzela khona phana, yabo there are other events and people that slowly clean your place if you seem famous.
Exactly.
Yes.
True. Labo qinisile.
Because there were a couple of bougie people at that show. Because of who? Umahu.
Yeah.
But what I'm not gonna ignore is the fact that when some weird, let me say dingy places, when they hire these artists, sometimes it kills their mojo. There's a certain artist or as a performer, noma ngapi, bangu 3 actually. Babehamba endaweni zona ezezinganzi funny and now akula angeke bethi ikhotonithi iyabahaya ukuthi bezoperforma lapha and people come bezogcwala bethi we can't pay that amount when they performed endaweni enjalo.
Yeah.
Yeah, vele izin artist kule ndawo ethi ungayiperforma kule ndawo esingasakubiziyo.
Also, I mean,
Eh, uyabona ukuthi Black Diamond kwama njani? Babe performa inomi kuphi? La ababizwe khona beat, Gwanda whatsoever.
yeah, no, as an artist now,
U-Imo Methwambane.
kumele ubone
Imoni.
ukuthi,
No, ebhoda eblawayo abantu bengamboni.
Akula muntu ongathi keep a $50 VIP to see him now because
Yeah, true.
of lapha behambe wa performa khona, that kind of thing, you know.
yeah, you need to know your value as an artist. And enye into, I
Yes.
think, I might as well just say this now. Enye into which adds value to you being an artist is actually having your own show.
Exactly.
It's important. It's important as an artist to have your own show because that's where you actually also gauge your journey and your value. I mean, if people are, not to say that I'm despising like resident DJs and stuff, but if people are going to see you play everywhere all the time, it's going to be hard for you to snap out of that and actually do an annual event or an event 2 times a year, because people will now say, okay, he's good, but we know if we miss his show now, we'll see him at such and such a place on Friday, and he's going to play 4 hours, and he's going to play All I Do Is Win. You understand? So
Damn.
it kind of
Damn.
over.
Did you think you were just going to stride?
Oh, isikhwehlela singabuyi, masingabuyi kahle isikhwehlela masingabuyi please. Yeah. So I think it's important as an artist to have. I mean, this is something they could take from this and more. Which just try and do your own thing, and uzabona lawe as you go. It kind of also. You also feel, no, I'm actually doing something, and you feel that with career, oh, so there's actually something I'm doing. You know, it's important. It's important to ungabi. I posted yesterday with status the more you frequent a place, the value kind of decreases, or the people that have easy access to you don't quite value you.
Okay.
So an example would be, I know that Sinje, so Lapa C4, we all know that I'm a DJ, right? But if someone else from outside sees me here, they're not going to look at me the same way you guys see me. You understand? But because you guys are, you have, there's a certain access you guys have. I'm not saying that you wouldn't value me, but the value is different from that person who's seeing me from afar.
Go explain konoko example.
Sure.
I thought I grew up with Night Freak. No, I grew up with Ubegi. I went with Ubegi in SA for his show, first time in SA. That's when I realized, fuck man, this guy is Night Freak. Because like the way people went crazy for him, the way like this is a celebrity, I wish to meet this person, wishes to meet your friend.
You know,
value artist state.
You know, like, I know Big. Night Freak is a whole different person. Night Freak is a whole
and
different
you said
being.
that you said Big and Night Freak are two different.
Yes.
You just need to
also
know what it's
happened
different.
When sasise ngabona uK Breeze esima eceleni esithi phela umfana lo uyashaya.
Okay, Breeze, wathi wena mfana ngiyakukhohlwa wena. Wena mfana ngiyakukhohlwa wena.
This person is actually good. I'm like, yeah, kunjalo.
So basically,
uK Breeze yabumdelela ku podcast.
Wena.
uK Breeze Bermuda.
ndoda ngezwe umdala mesithi ufana kuyachaya lokho kukabelo. Kanti lo mfana uba
Yabakhohlwa.
Ayabakhohlwa nje.
Yabakhohlwa uthi yibo ababeduma upodcast.
But
ayaqinisweni ukuthi thina ama-artist status wavaliwe ayiblawa I can say iblawa nganasiliboni.
No, like they value artists when they start being valued
When they
elsewhere.
start popping.
And kunjalo, like for an artist, like this is an advice, do not make music for Bulawayo, make music for the world. When the world appreciates you,
That's
Bulawayo
when
will fall
Bulawayo
in
will
line.
I mean, I think it's not only Bulawayo. I think that's generally how it is. Until an artist actually steps out of where they're from, that's when they'll. I mean, there's so many examples, bro. I'll give you example. Uculo Tesong. Tulo was just Tulo until he went out, and then now he has to come back in to perform and goes back out. You understand? Intenjalo vele nxa usachuna, and it's not even ukuthi. I understand as you grow, you also polish your craft and you become better. But it doesn't mean that when you started you were bad. It doesn't mean that you never deserved to be valued. You know, you can go outside and be great, or you can go outside and be less of what you were back home. But when they see from home, masebewona outside, they'll be like, Chomlana sevile. Let's asimpe any chance, and that's really messed up. That's really fucked up because it gets to a point where other people might not get the chance to go out, but they're still good. You understand what I mean? And that doesn't mean that they don't deserve to be valued at all.
Yeah, true.
So in Kona, it doesn't really. So I really don't think it's Bulawayo only, but generally I think it's maybe now it comes to what I was saying about being a child and going to boarding school and valuing your parents. Maybe in Jal.
Okay,
the
I
more
see.
you do not live with them, the more you actually value them. I think. I don't know. I think that's basically what I kind of meant. Ukuthi umzali uzamvalua usungasahlali la. But nxa uhlala umzali abekubhonga njani?
Yeah.
Ebe ngumzali typically.
Umzali.
Umzali, alizibalele umzali.
Yabona uyabungaka price ma. Yeah, but I think there's a certain time you outgrow living with your parents.
For sure. And for Bruce, that thing happens at an early age. It happens at an early age.
Uphomba ukuphuma nje phuma khona apha ya 25. Uphomba ukuphuma nje khona uphuma. Yeah, ukhangela omunye umuntu le 25 yena ethi I'm going to my cabin.
Mina ngabona i-tweet. Ngabona i-tweet kuthiwa ema streetsini uyabunga i-AC fan. Endlini ukuthi
Jeremiah.
Thomas hobothenga igas. Akula hip hop endlini
Instagram ngumalume endlini ngumgcini.
Welcome. Uthenga igazi akula yipho endlini.
Sihlane la uthola igas cylinder town.
Wesisilinda ndothi yasinda.
Gasilinda impuphu. Amagwili.
And itholeka only one way.
Gasilinda impuphu lamagwili. Into ziyaqedza iora leziya.
Hayi impuphu yayiqeda iora ndothi.
Asishaya impuphu igwili lingcono.
Impuphu.
Amagwili angcono impuphu bra.
Sinkwa ungela Peppa Pig.
Usithole so.
Kanti impuphu.
Ayisinkwa singcono guys.
Ungela Peppa Pig.
Ayisinkwa kula anyone is bread bra.
No, impuphu. No, everyone eats it but I.
Umbhida igas cylinder.
Hayi.
Nanda ndaba mina.
Namanga Jane.
Ayisinkwa don't give
But I think
it.
isinkwa singcono.
Isinkwa sishaba.
Isinkwa singcono. Ayijeke impuphu nje.
Ukuluma isitshwala.
Na uthanda la ora vele everywhere ngihamba khona la ndawo igas cylinder ngithola nge-toilet.
Mongi. Sahamba
Yeah,
siyawind down
lapha. But mina for me I think it's different because ngumjita.
ngithi sahamba sayawind down ilokuzeni like from amadino eyinde yabona that thing ukuthi ungacupha isitshwala esiningi ungasitsheba you just bite half of it ugcine sinya uthi
Wasiluma wena isitshwala. Usuluma isitshwala. Usilumelani?
guys sitshele
Wangasilungelanga ka-1.
Uyakwazi bakuseve bani efonini yake?
ngibonile
Asifakeni lapha.
mina ngifuna ukubhala toxic core
Uluma isitshwala.
Uphanda ya cooking.
Mina umzali ngavela ngamtshela. Wangithuma into engani ilusisi ora so. Ngathi swana masali. Mina vele sengiyi-public figure.
Akuvumi kono.
Akusayenzi ngicethe imali ngithuma something. Make sure ukuthi imali engithola ngiyithwele kungathi ngoba kuyangisa lani futhi.
Iyo phela
into ze-podcast.
into etsho ngumdala ukuthi manje
Nanzazama ukuthi maybe last year beku this year but angayithwala igasi le amagetsi sephe igasi ayisephe mina sensavela igasi yabona ngabe ngithwala isilinda amawugada umchova ngazama ukuyehlela phana ekhona manje ngongavumi ngathalaza yabo ngangihlala emacho so ngahlala cross umgoqo wakhe ngafihla igasi linde stars yabo ngayithamela ngezipasta omlalo labo sebenceda hayi cho mina sokuthwalise phela so abantu basithwela abafana sokungcono usakhaya hamba bamfilisa igasi yami ngagada umchova ayi ngoba
yazi umdala esithi manje wena mfana abantu bazakubona ungemva kwe-truck lapha bethi nangena unishe t-sola ngathi zwana mdala wena tshuna ama-round ani mina uzanthola sengivayile ilifti ngiyabonga akuyenzi vele
wawuzabehlele town cabanga usehlele town gade i-truck ngemuva so kumele uphakamisa unyawo uthi ngemva wethi
ayakhona ukuyala manje
uqedile bonke ukuthi ngumoya
hayi
umzali futhi yabele system yena leyale isigubhu leya
yabuhlezi sowubambelele ngapha la ngapha
isithi so amaphoto
la kunokuwa phela kulokuyimini
umzali futhi yabele system yokuthi ulama errands lawana random phezela lapha awugesanga phezela lapha
laba manje abantu abakubona khona
usuhlala lokuli 2K ubukela i-podcast
ukuthi
hey sister can I rap to you asomongi we-podcast
and njenge-podcast ayibuyeke
aso sexy mongi wena
podcast afukana
podcast abakuyiyekeni
abakuyekeni
ngaziphumela eThayini ibuilding le asawazi Astrombe wini eSterling nganginjani ngodwa kazi ngangiqhaqhi half ngiluki half
sithola khona
no ngangiqhaqha ngi-upstairs ngayehla sathatha something downstairs omise wathi hi nayelo angimazi usisi lo wathi guy I think I know you no serious asemangi we-podcast
wahlezi indlebe ingasaboni
indaba ye-podcast
wahlezi indlebe singasaboni
i-privacy ayisekho gaya ngutsheni
yazi lapha yabongacaci vele ziyeba uzigqokela into efani kwanza ngathi ngokuqala owesi-2 umngane wami sayawusho ukuthi graduation vele sesigqoke njengamaphahla amapatapata vele singela ndaba ngisengena ngapho ngiyebe ngithola phela umngane igawuni lathi siyashitsha ongithi sengihleze emoteni ogayela wathi esimongi mina yelo namhla vele account awukho podcast ogqoke so no anymore akukho fani na okay all right
so usekho funny anymore
usekho funny kusendithwele nzima
hayi vele uyabusuthwele nzima
na prime town
ipatapata
lila problem.
ngakho-ke ngendlela
You don't want to talk to
ngigqoka
anyone. Kulalokhana you don't want to talk to anyone. Uyagoa. Or there are places you just want to be yourself.
Yeah.
Without being watched by anyone. The worst scenario is when they want to take a picture with you with a fucked up phone.
Ndoda picture njani, ndoda uyambonti njani, ndoda.
One, you're not looking good. Two, camera le ivele liphupha.
uvele ube west
I want to post this on my Insta. Oh my God.
Kule yenye yathi ngicela uthatha ipicture lawe ngathi show yathi ingabi phone yakho. Athi namfana uthini?
Asathe ngeyami.
Unamfana uthini?
Asathe ngeyami because what?
Mina there's one moment like yabona ukuthi like today is my day yokutshona endlini. Mina nje guys mina ngishonela ngeshort endlini ngikhipha iskipa.
You standard.
So vuka something like I think I was collecting something from the bus from SA. So mina I know ngizayihlela ko Edgar's ngihle straight ngene ko Delta lapha ngibuyela same route ngisiyagada. Ngathi ma Crocs skipa ngabe mphuma. And sengithwele isaka bra. My teacher.
iora yonke
Manje umuntu okuthiwa udelulu.
anganazo sicela umbambi sithola ukuthi lesala
Manje lapha kulomuntu odelulu la. Kulomuntu DJ odelulu la. Kana sithi mina vele ngifuna ukuthi ngiyethenga lapha ukudla. Ngiphume ngihambe. 85 minutes. Athathe 20 minutes. Kade flower vele bangazela ngithi ndoda wena uzakuzibona uperform uqeda lapho ucabanga ukuthi kulanto ozakubingelela from emnyango
nje. I-timing yabantu yenganisi kube phethe.
na uBryce ome wahlala lethola isaka ethi ucela phethe ucela ungithwalise phela Buddhas
mina lapha ngaphelela khona kwakuse
Buddhas ucela ungithwalise
SA not la eJoshua eOR ngidonsa izikhwama zami vele ngile stress indawo lezana vele ezibusy ziyan stress.
I think I was khuluma lesa.
Sisi please.
No, I'm not.
I came to breathe.
I'm not.
Ngiyacela.
Lapha
I
kuyekho
came here to breathe.
happy.
And it happened again. In another country that's not even in Africa. And that time you're screaming, you know. You are stand staging. Lonke akula celebrity la pants. Celebrity li phambili le. Umuntu ongasola mZimbabwe. South African. Wabuya wathi BYO podcast, BYO memes.
Yes.
Siyaphefumula ngapi?
I know. We should you guys are doing good.
But I think so west.
You guys are doing good. It's a good thing.
It's very nice.
You need to
kuyindawo akubona ukuthi akumbebe kungcono.
Estaging bangqhweba.
Bra kuyindebe
I hear
ungamuve.
what you say during the podcast.
Ayidlela kathi vele libanje so vele maselisele but imali ngani u-podcast ngathi
Hey mina futhi screamela uJesus in peace. Mina siwona ukuthi ngitheni.
Hana feka ngelanda.
Be accountable. Lesifundisa
Hayi mina
accountability.
makhulu seliqedile podcast that fine ngicela uyazi-enjoyela mina and I enjoyed myself.
But it's really,
Ayisalikhuluma
feels
indaba
good though.
No, it's
To know
great,
what
man.
people
It's
know
great.
you.
It's great.
Mina the one that I enjoyed the most is mina ngilento lani yokuthi I like my reputation. So umuntu nxa ngikhulumisa even sengimkhohliwana I just talk to you like I know you and I remember you. Of what? Hey, Bryce check. Mina awufa member yami is you at sharp otherwise. Ucatsheleni kathi awungawara ungazi check. Mina ngiyakwazi.
Yes, that's great. That's great. And that's how it happens all the time.
Yeah.
That's how it happens all the time.
Njani awungawara. Ake podcast. Lami segroupini nje. Yabona like then manje into yabisiyangisa ukuthi okay, right, I pretend like I know him ngam acknowledge. Yabona. Don't know around us.
Yeah, when you don't know
But mina
me.
ngiyakwazi.
And I know what awungazi. So stop acting. That's something I would say. We are pretend
But it's really a beautiful feeling because they never lander you with bad things.
Yeah,
like
no,
the
no.
vibes are always good and
Yeah,
and
no,
positive.
it's actually great. But I think okunye kuya ngokuthi umuntu njani, and you know, it's good for you to have people that celebrate you. It's just how you take it. You know, an example. I mean, I've never had a situation where someone would say I treated them bad or I ignored them intentionally or istombo or anything. I wouldn't say angichaza, but I respect those moments because I know what it means for that person. Because I would really feel somehow if I were to be, if I want to take, for instance, a picture. I know in the my picture very because sometimes you're not in the mood. Sometimes you don't really want to take pictures, you know, but you end up just doing it and you do not know where that picture is going to end up. You know, that's where the other problem is in my pictures. But you just pose there, pose there. I want to go shanga le. I shoot in front of do your shit and as you understand? Like let's do this thing. Colleague, I'm here. You know, because it's. Also, you can make someone's day by literally taking a picture with them. You know,
that's
true.
true.
So, and a problem, you would see, I'm a public figure. Not all of them have that wisdom or have that training on how to behave when you're around people, which is very important. And it's in my course, I have it, but I'm not sure if everyone else has that thing. You need to know how to behave when you're around people, because that moment could be your last. Or that moment could be what can either make or break. So there's so many things that happen whilst all those things are happening.
Yes.
So I would urge you guys to take as much pictures with people.
And also,
I
like,
know, like,
them
I'm
with
a personality
respect.
so it would never be a case of but it's a good thing. I wish everyone else would get that thing.
I think my greatest moment yomuntu Tandu Jane and Atlanta. Lo Jane, I'm cricketing a solid joke and see Jane cry. Joke
just know to bang.
But I'll tell you from Kalisan, then it's trying to pump Wakuslu.
I also like Twitter with respect. Mau City, you never know what a person is going through. Mina no abantu baloku ngithumela, it's just that I don't read all of them out or speak about them here, but they normally
opportunity la uthi
I always get these random DMs from ghost accounts, and I don't want to lie. Every time I'm born, hi Jane, this is a ghost account. Or something, because that's what always happens with Hans, you know. But then, this is a ghost account. I just want to tell you, hey, this one time I wanted to kill myself. Then you remember when suicide was your brand and now it's not. Hey, you guys, you make us feel what? There's so many people we save. We make them laugh, especially overseas. Some of them are having it hard, and we really help them get through because it draws them back home.
Nothing. Please subscribe to
sure.
the PYL podcast.
Like we really save those people.
Depression.
And that time, Tina was saving each other because it's therapeutic.
Yeah, true.
Stress. Sip and talk shit, you know.
Mna la mi DM DM yami
Yeah,
these days. Just because we podcast. This time ngiyathola manager la umi manager. Yazothola abantu okukhuluma labo ngabaziyo, and it's actually fun. Senza ngukholisa kuqala kanqala ngiba ignore la. But ngoke senza nguthola ngani usokani into enormal. Abantu angibazi.
Mina ukwazi nje ukuyifoda leni kuma.
Hayi base utraffic kanjani?
Abakutshontsha abantu nje.
Abantu
So abantu
abatrust kakhulu.
Besihlangana. Ano ngebe ngwazi umuntu engizakhuluma. Mina ukuthi uzunhlangane la makunzima. Mina uqambela amanga. Uyathi vela ngekho uchayisa la town ayisini. La uthi mvumo uhlala lo muntu angukwanisi. Uright ukukhuluma over the phone.
Let's meet up ngeke ngizwe. Ukuthi I've seen you from the pod. Let's go for lunch. I always get those. But then I just politely say, I'm sorry, I don't believe in meeting people that I met online.
I think over the phone, it's actually
But
cool.
I think sometimes there's a difference between let's go for lunch and let me buy you lunch. Because let me buy you lunch, no. Let me buy you lunch. Like it's actually an over-the-counter thing. So okay, let's go for lunch. Let's go sit down.
Not
I'm not saying that way. But I'm saying leeway yokuba ngani unjalo. Uthi usingahlala umbone kuthengele ice cream. Not uthi asambe out for ice cream.
Akula muntu okuthengela something
eqedala. Yazi into le I think ingcono umuntu wahlangana laye then ubusumthengele lunch. Not
ukuthi uthele efonini.
Andikho cash.
Why ukuza nawe?
Mina ngasendelwa phela ikho cash ngubhudasi sengishaya inamba laphana.
Uzathatha umongo uhlezi kompana wayi.
Laphana ubhudasi wathi hayi utsho mlo manini ngeke ndilibuze. Why la gate keep inamba yami? Umuntu wabuza egroupini.
Mina ungambali, yimi engayisendayo.
Okay, wena ke.
I-group ipi?
E-podcast. Kulo muntu
Angikho egroupini ye-podcast mina.
Price wena
Wona
ke.
selethe ngatshintsha amanamba.
Price wena ke. Why?
So ngapha
Wena
manje.
wasumbuza after.
Wabona conversation imali isingenile.
Oh, by then akaphunga ngisasekhona egroupini lapha.
So yabona into enjengayona lana or else sihlangane. I know you from the podcast. Let me get you lunch. Not ukuthi ngu-approach ngokuthi I know you from the podcast. How about we go out for lunch? Because leyo vele also I mean.
But
So
mawuthi
feel
revela
comfortable ukuthi
yini?
abantu beshiya amanamba akho.
Eh?
Yeah, feel comfortable ukuthi abantu beshiya amanamba.
For good reasons, bafuna send imali.
No, for imali obvious.
Mina
Uyabona i-situation yangikhona.
Don't share. But I mean umuntu osegroupini and umuntu uyatsho la ukuthi hayi.
No, egroupini alapho
number
ngiyabuzela nje. F4 egroupini. No, egroupini ngabona esithi ufuna usendele imali.
Alimzulu uthe wabona.
No,
So what gatekeeper?
No guys, come
Kade
on.
ngibuza khona.
Shame.
Uprice
Wena
wena
wayesenda.
sokuthi awufase
Imali
nje.
isendayo, ngima type fast futhi.
Alright, sorry.
Lo price wathi ngarafa. Uprice wathi wangena ifoni.
Izokuwosa labo vibes.
Asifike
Mina khona
kumadamara.
bathi ufuna usendele imali namhla akayisendanga sengiyathe.
Wafaka inamba.
Hayi, ngathi izophela inamba lezi. Vela sila nami inamba zami lezana zesithwe sengiyisebenzisa group.
Awukatholi vele imali via podcast from abantu.
Ayimele group phela angisekho groupini phela.
Hayi mina ngitholanga via group.
Awuthona.
Kumele uyegezwa.
Ngegezwe.
Amele uyegezwa.
Angithome ade sengithola u-IG lona hayi. Akakhana yazi ngiyabonga. Bebekhona ababili but angicine ngibonga.
Ase IG azikho serious.
Hayi ase IG hayi ngicine
Ase
ngibonga.
IG zabe zifuna ukuya screenshot siyabona ukuthi
Ngiyabona uthanda imali.
podcast. Uyangiphendula.
Asivale.
Ivale mfana.
Ivale. Yenzeni? Siyabonga ukusibukhela. Ngicela ubonge.
Bona ushota ku Soul Brothers.
Angangihlabela mina vele.
Lapha ukuthi le Bryce Andiswa Dube, uBryce DJ Classic ubeza libonge.
Oh,
Ibizo lakho ngi-Andiswa.
Yes, I'm Bryce Andiswa.
Ngingakhohlwa phela
Asivaleni njengabo radio.
Mana wait.
Sifane
What about now?
Phumile bese ufuna ukukhuluma
Check it
ngemixeme
out,
maybe
it's 70 plus 8.
Anyways, MC.
Live at King's
Yeah.
Crawl.
Yo, the BYO podcast. This is Bryce DJ Classic. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please do not forget to like and leave a comment down below and make sure that you subscribe because nothing beats subscribing to what?
The BYO podcast.
Money.
With the toxic co-worker.
Yeah, shout out to Nizeti Soul.
Nizeti Soul.
Oh yeah.
Nizeti
And always make sure that you attend Nizeti Soul on Friends. It's going to be happening on the 28th of December. Where Nizeti Soul?
A Marvel House.
Yes, don't worry, Umong is going to be there looking there.
Tickets are available. And make sure you get your tickets before they sell out.
Coming in to you live from the King's Crawl. Shout out to King's Crawl and Cotton Lounge. That's where we are located. My name is Bryce DJ Classic, and this was the BYO podcast.
Signing out.
Oh yeah.
La 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 la.
Hiyo lana eti pu 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 pu.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready.